Hello everyone, this is Hitesh Mhatre, HOD, Computer Engineering Department of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to learn about SQL operations. Second part. Learning objectives. We will learn about the logical sets, that is AND, OR, NOT, and combination of AND, OR and NOT. So we will see one by one. A logical set, the where clause can be combined with and or not operation. So when we want to use this logical set, where clause is required. The and or operations are used to filter records based on more than one condition. So when you are using and or, so you will require more than one condition, or you can say if you have more than one conditions for a particular query, then you can use either and or you can use either or. Now this depends on what conditions you have. Now the result that is generated by and or has some criteria. Now what it is? The and operation displays a record if all the conditions that are separated by and are true. Means the conditions that you are giving in an AND operation. Now it can be 2, it can be more than 2. So whatever conditions that are separated by AND operator, all conditions should be true to give you the result. If at least one condition is false, then you will not get any result. So what we can say is, if all the conditions are true, then you will get the result. Similarly, for OR, if any one condition is true, then also you can get a result. So this is the difference between your and OR. For AND operation, you require all the conditions, that is 2 or more conditions, all the conditions to be true to get a record or to get a result set. But if you are using OR in multiple condition, if at least one condition is true, then you can get the result set. We will see this with example. The not operator displays a record if the condition that is specified is not true. The not operator, for this you require only a single condition, and if the single condition that you have specified is not true, that will be the result. So starting with the AND, the syntax is select columns. So whatever the columns you require, either one column, two column, or n number of columns from a table where, now this is one condition, and second condition, and third condition, and so on. I can have n number of condition, but minimum I should have these two conditions. Two conditions are compulsory for AND. So if this query wants to generate a result, then all the conditions that are participating here in the where clause should be true. So if I consider just three conditions, 1, 2 and 3, all the three conditions should be true, then only I will get some result set. Now say consider this as a database table, again which has some 91 records in this. Now we will apply the AND operation to this. So select star from customers, means it will select all the rows from columns from the customers, where the column country is having the value Germany and the city is Berlin. Now it may happen that in a database country we have many records for country Germany, but for Germany we can have many different cities. But for this particular criteria, I will get record only for the country Germany and the city is Berlin. So if I execute this query, what I can see is I am getting only one record. Now if I see country is Germany and city is Berlin, so both the conditions are true. So this is why I am getting a result set. Now it may happen that I may have some another entry with where country is Germany but city may be different. City may be different, but here what I'm requiring is city also Berlin. So my condition 1, that is country equal to Germany, is true, and the condition 2, that is city equal to Berlin, is true. So this row or this record satisfy this condition. Coming to the OR, the syntax: select columns, that can be column 1, 2 or any, from the table where your condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3 or so on. Now in this also you at least require two conditions for using an OR, similar to your AND, but the only difference is that out of this n number of condition, even if one condition satisfies or one condition is true, you will get a result set. You will get a result set. Again consider the same table. Again consider the same table. Now we will apply the OR. So select star from customer where city equal to Berlin or city equal to München. So we have two criteria based on city only. So if now we can see for a particular table, either record, you can have either city as Berlin or either city as München. So both cannot be true at a time. So at least one should be true to display the record. What I'm getting is two records. And if I check the city, one record shows that it is matching the Berlin condition and second record is matching the München condition. So either this should be true or this should be true. Not necessary both should be true. We can have that conditions also as well, but at least one condition in your OR operation should be true to give you the result set. So here city equal to Berlin and city equal to München has been true. Another one, select star from customers where country equal to Germany or country equal to Spain. So I will get only those record where country is Germany or where country is Spain. So this is what I'm getting the record. And if I see the countries, I can see Germany, Spain, Germany, Spain, Germany, Spain, Spain, Germany. So I'm getting only those record where country is either Germany or Spain. Either Germany or Spain. Now see, we again here in this we have for Germany we have different cities here. For Germany different cities, but our condition is not based on city also. So either country is Germany, okay. So that record will be displayed. Again country is Spain, so that record will be displayed. So either of these conditions should be true. Coming to the not. Select columns from table name where not condition. As I said earlier, for not only one condition is required. So that if that condition is true, then the opposite of that will be given in the result set. Now consider the same table. Now if you see here, select a star from customers where not country equal to Germany. Means if the record matches country equal to Germany, then you should not show that because we are using a not operation. So what it states that do not show the country do not show the record where country is Germany. So again, if I get some record like this, I can see here, we can see different countries, but you cannot see a country where it is showing Germany. So you will not get a record of Germany because the condition is country equal to Germany applied to your NOT operation. Now combining your AND, OR and NOT. Combining AND, OR and NOT. So select star from customers where country equal to Germany and city equal to Berlin or city equal to München. Now you have combined your both and or, but you can see a parenthesis applied. So first this or will be applied. So either it will give the city Berlin or it will give city München, and it should belong to the country Germany. So this condition should be definitely true. So we will get all the records of the country Germany, and after you get the record from the Germany, you will check whether the records belongs to Berlin or München as a city. So if I check here, so first it will match, okay, country is equal to Germany, because for AND operation this condition should be true. Now in this OR, at least one should be true. So if at least one is true, so this also becomes a true. So if both conditions are true, then you will get the result set. If you do not have any city that belongs to Berlin or München, then you will not get any result set. But here you can see country equal to Germany is matched, and you see city equal to Berlin or München, okay, Berlin. So both the conditions are true, so record is displayed. And for the second time it will check, okay, country is equal to Germany, yes, and city belongs to either Berlin or München, yes, it is belongs to München. So both these conditions again are true, so AND operation also successful, so it will show the record. Then another example, select star from customers where not country equal to Germany and not country equal to USA. Now you are using your not, so country equal to Germany, so records of Germany will not be shown. Again we have not country equal to USA, so records of USA will be not be shown, and so both the conditions should be true. So it will not show me the record of Germany as well as the USA. It will not show me the record of these two countries. So if I execute this query, I get some of like this output, and if I check the country, I can see that there is no record for Germany or USA here. There is no record for Germany or USA here. So using not operator and operator together, in the previous example we have seen and or, so we can see here that both Germany and USA are not displayed in the record. So I hope the concept regarding the logical set and the use of and, or and not and the combination of all these three is clear to you. If you have any queries, these are my details. You can contact me anytime. Thank you.